If you set a thermostat to 70 degrees, what happens when the room gets colder? Well, the heat kicks on and it brings it back to 70. Same thing happens if it obviously gets too hot. That's how your beliefs work. They act like a thermostat, keeping you at the level you think you belong. But what if you could raise that setting? So today I'll show you how to identify and reset your mental thermostat so you can rise to the level of success that you are capable of. We all have a default belief system about what we deserve, whether it's the amount of money that we make, the success that we achieve, or the relationships that we have. If your belief is stuck on average, that's where you'll stay. I had a coaching client who couldn't break past a certain income level in his business, and the years that he did, it's almost like he thought it was a fluke and he would drop down to a certain level. When we dug deeper, we realized his internal thermostat was set to a level he was comfortable with, not where he wanted to be. We worked on changing that belief, resetting his thermostat by visualizing himself achieving higher levels of success. And guess what? Once his belief changed, so did his actions, and his income followed. Here's the fun science part of it. Neuroscience shows that your brain doesn't know the difference between a vividly imagined event and a real one. This is why visualization is such a powerful tool. I mean, obviously, elite athletes use it to enhance their performance by mentally rehearsing success before it ever happens on the field. Michael Phelps, one of the greatest Olympians of all time, he visualized every single stroke of his race before competing. He mentally raised his thermostat to world-class levels, and obviously his results speak for themselves. What would happen if you visualized yourself operating at that next level? Raise the thermostat mentally first, and your actions will follow. Beliefs alone obviously aren't enough. You have to back that up with action. And when you back it up with action, it builds your confidence, which then reinforces what you're doing, which then reinforces those new beliefs. Set daily habits that align to what your new level is going to be. Want to be more confident? Practice public speaking. Want to hit new levels in sales? Make extra calls. Remember, your beliefs are like a thermostat. If you want to level up, start by changing the setting. Drop a comment and let me know. What belief are you ready to upgrade today? Let's raise the bar and make it happen.